hurt.
What happened, Amy?
I just nailed my hand. It hurts so much.
Let me see.
Ow! What should I do, Max? I don't know what to do.
Let's go to the hospital. You need a doctor.
No,
Come on.
no.
Why? We have to go. Come on.
Don't worry, I'm just trolling you. Look. Look, it's fake.
Really? Are you kidding me? Oh, it looks so real. How'd you do that?
Easy peasy. First, use the pliers to cut the fake nails. Use hot glue to make 2 drops of blood. Add the fake nail on it. Now, wait until it's dry. When it's dry, peel it out from the wax paper. Add eyelash glue onto the bottom of the nail. Attach it to your hand. It'll look like the nail went through your hand. Take some Vaseline. Now put it around the base of the nail to make the fake blood texture. Use the red food coloring as fake blood. Ooh, it looks so real.
Amy, can you help me? This is so heavy.
Oh my gosh, are you okay, Lily? Oh my gosh. Let me see, sit down.
My arm got bruised.
Don't worry, Dr. Amy's here. First, you need to slice an onion. Now, sprinkle it with salt. Then put the onion on the bruise. Just wait 15 minutes and then rinse it with water.
Wow, my bruise is gone. Thanks, Amy.
No problem. Let me help you pick up your boxes.
Okay. Come on, Max. Everybody's waiting on us.
Wait, hold on. Sorry, Lily, I can't go. My skin's acting up.
Don't scratch it anymore. You'll make it worse. Let me help.
It itches.
To relieve the itchiness, you need honey and lemon. First, you need to cut the lemon. Then you squeeze it onto a plate. Then add honey. And now mix it up. And then apply it on your arm. Now let it sit for 15 minutes and wash it off with water.
Wow, thanks, Lily. It's all gone.
Now let's go. Everybody's waiting on us.
All right, let's go.
I hate my hair and I hate this brush. Oh, oh shoot. What am I gonna do with my hair? First, to treat dry hair, you need coconut oil. Use a spoon to get coconut oil. Then apply it to your hair. Wait 30 minutes and then hop in the shower. Now my hair is soft and straight.
I got a splinter.
Hey Max, what's up?
I got a splinter.
Don't worry, let me take it out for you.
Ow! That hurts, Lily.
Oh, I know what to do. First, use a Q-tip to take the Vaseline. Then apply it to the splinter. Now wait 15 minutes, Max. Now take the splinter out. Put a Band-Aid on.
Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Be careful next time.
I will. Amy, what happened? Why are you crying?
I don't want to show my face. It's so ugly.
I promise I won't laugh.
Okay, I have a lot of pimples.
Whoa. Don't worry. I know how to fix it.
Really? How?
First, we have to slice the lemon. Now you apply it to the pimples. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then wash your face. Apply twice a week.
Wow, all my pimples are gone. Thanks, Max.
No problem. Let's go find Lily.
Okay. Okay, everyone. So this is our new goal. Do you have any questions?
I have a question.
What happened, Max? Drink some water.
Okay.
All right, Max, continue.
This time I wanted to ask about the target.
Before talking, give me 10 push-ups, Max.
10 push-ups?
Don't question me, just do it.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
What was the point of the push-ups?
Do you still have hiccups?
Oh, it's gone. Thanks, boss.
I'm so worried. I hope I don't get a bad grade on the exam.
Calm down, Lily, calm down. Here, look at me, alright? Just take your thumb and blow on it.
Okay. Okay, I'm calm now. Thank you, Max.
Here's your exam results, guys.
What? My grade is so bad.
Calm down, Lily, calm down. Remember, just blow on your thumb.
Oh yeah.
What's your grade?
I got an A-. I wanted an A+.
Are you serious? I'm just glad I passed.
But I wanted the highest grade in the class.
That's still a good grade.
My fingers burn. The chilies are so hot. Just sprinkle sugar on your burned hand. Wait 15 minutes, then wash your hand. Now my hands don't burn anymore.